Ẹ káalẹ́ o gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi gbogbo. Mo kí wa níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Èmi ọmọ náà ni mo ti dé ní àṣálẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wa. Kógókógó báyìí ni agogo ń dún. Wọ́n ní dùgbẹ̀dùgbẹ̀ ó ní ohùn akèrègbè. Òjòjò níṣòwò kówó má nájà kókókó lára ọ̀tá ń le. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, wọ́n ní ikú tó ń pa ojúgbà ẹni òwe ní dá fún ni. Ìṣubú ẹnìkan, ìṣubú gbogbo ènìyàn. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣèwà tálà máa mú wá fún yín ní ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí arákùnrin tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ wò yìí. Ẹ wá gbọ́ bí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Ta ni arákùnrin náà? Arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí very dark man. Very dark man. Gbogbo bí àwọn EFCC bí wọ́n ṣe trace ẹ̀, bí wọ́n ṣe collaboration with GTB Bank. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ló ti ń fi ilé ìfowósípamọ́ yìí náà ti ń fi bẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Fọ́nrán kan tí mo wò tán sí mo rí arákùnrin kan tó mú scissors tó fi ń gé káàdì GTB Bank ẹ̀, ATM káàdì ẹ̀. Ara àwọn nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn, àwọn àkóbá kẹ́ tó gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ẹrù ṣe. Ó lọ síbẹ̀, òun wò pé òun tí òun ń jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn, wọ́n wá ṣerú eléyìí fún ìyá títí òun, pé ìyá òun lọ gba lóhùn, ìyá òun tó jẹ́ tíṣà ni tó ń receive salary at least òun náà máa send owó sí ìyá ẹ̀, àkáǹtì ìyá ẹ̀ ò lè lọ ọlẹ̀ náà. Ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àbúrò ẹ̀ sọ, gbogbo bí iṣu ṣe pa bí ọ̀bẹ ṣe kún, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lè máa wò nínú fọ́nrán ta fẹ́ wò yìí. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe léè sí? Nigeria youth, are you tired? Nigeria youth, ẹ̀yin là á máa bá wí ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa wò lélẹ̀? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa wò ní? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dákẹ́tẹ̀ máa wò lélẹ̀? Ṣùgbọ́n ká tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ jẹ́ ká dókè.
All right, so GT Bank, yesterday, salary was paid. Now, instead of my mother to be happy that she received her salary after 30 days of working, my mother came back home crying like a baby. My mother, the one who born me, she came back home crying. So what happened? My younger sister sent me this voice note yesterday.
Bro Martins, good evening. You get wetin I wan tell you. Since early this year, any money wey enter mommy account, GTB Bank dey carry am. They say she collect loan and she no collect any loan. They comot her money, they comot her money, they comot her money. Now today, mommy come house and she just enter house now. She look like say she won't even cry. She know they okay. She still they pay her salary today and GTB carry everything, leave only 3K for her, and she no ever go collect loan from them. She no know who collect loan with her phone, but they just they collect her money. Now person work for 30 days, they pay him una collect the money. She don't go the bank tire. So I don't know if you get anybody for GTB Bank. If you help us look into this issue, because you don't turn to another thing, I beg.
Now you see how this life be. And they fight for people up and down. I don't even know say that they even cheat my own mother for house. And she refused to talk. Since the beginning of this year, that GT Bank have been splitting her salary into half. That she's owing money, that she collected loan. Say, I did not collect loan. And she has been going into different GT banks to explain, I did not take loan from you guys. Then GT Bank is telling her that somebody used your NIN. GT Bank, who is the somebody that used that NIN? Mind you, if my mama they cry, just know say a lot of people they cry. I remember vividly, Sheon Kuti, one day Sheon Kuti called me, they vex for phone. Say GT Bank that thief. Say that they remove dollar from his dollar account. And that you bring his bank statement and he's sure of what he was saying. Say they went as far to take $500, $300. They were just removing money. Now you don't command my mama's salary now. This now woman will say she dey work 30 days. My mother likes to carry her own money when she say she don't work. You don't command the money. Say somebody used the NIN. Who is the somebody? Are you not supposed to be the one to secure the account? If somebody they use somebody NIN, you know they do verification. Don't you check BVN to see if the face match? So you just command my mama's salary like that. So if to say I know they give my mama small thing now, how my mama for day you for don't frustrate them? Maybe if I don't give the old woman BP. Like I said, if my own mother they go through this one, a lot of people when they use GT Bank too go they cry. A lot of people when they use GT Bank go they cry. A lot of people. This is not fair. GT GT Bank, and that is why I don't use GT Bank. GT Bank, I swear to God, this is the reason why I don't use GT Bank. GT Bank before, it is very porous. That's number one. GT Bank is so porous. You feel just say they don't remove money for your account. It don't happen to my mother before, and I don't know. Now I tell them, I used verse yesterday. I say, make she go meet them. Because I told my sister, I said she should go back to her office and tell them that they should change her salary account. If they don't want to change it, she should resign. Let me pay her the salary. But my mother no go want to resign. That's another problem. Because it involves children, and children should teach. And all these people, all these women where they teach children for secondary school, primary school, they get bond with children. It's not even about the money again for them. It's not even money for them. So she cannot resign. That's why they say schools, they get Odo teachers. Because they don't get bond with those children. They are bonded with them. Those children make them happy. So she cannot even resign and leave the job. So GT Bank, I beg. Tomorrow, I carry my mama, they come. I be when this holiday they finish, I carry my mama by myself, they come. You people should just fix that account and refund that money. We no one problem. We no one problem. I don't want to give problem. I know say because of your mama. I know they do. Just as you take they remove that money, all those money you calculate it, you refund us our money. Or you provide the person that use that account, that NIN to collect loan. You go pay my mama. And the person will use that NIN. You provide the person. Let's know who you transfer that money to. Which account did you credit for the loan? Let's know. I want to know the account that you credited for that loan. You better don't play. Else you're going to learn. And you will learn the hard way. And they carry my mama, they come. We'll take break. We'll take this in. We'll come now. This one did it talk. I will see you now.
Mecca, I want to do this video very quick as possible. I don't want to talk too much. I want to just talk about GT Bank and everything that happened today. And GT Bank, I'm so disappointed because you played a role in the kidnapping of my brother today. You played a very, very, very important role because from the moment Very Dark Man got to the bank, you gave the information out that Very Dark Man was in the bank. You the same bank. You the same bank where you come on money from my mother account. They try me, they find we rectify and peacefully. We no fight now. We came to the bank. Only for you people claiming to be helping us, you went ahead and did your communication with whosoever you did your communication with. And after that, when VDM was done and about to leave your bank, you locked him in your door. When I mean door, now know that door, if you enter bank, you press your green button, where you go open, where you go enter. As soon as they come outside, they lock him inside that place for 5 to 10 minutes. First off, it's not a criminal. You no get anything we don't do now. Only for una to come there, cover him face like thief. Cover him face, come beat him, carry him, go. You beat him, beat the guy, eat my mama. Like I don't understand, waiting on our agenda. We they complain for kidnapping every time. Now the same way this kidnapping they happen, now the same thing I just do. Like, because fine, people they set people up for kidnapping. GT Bank set up my brother so that they'll come carry him from their bank. GT Bank, what is your agenda? Are you trying to dodge what you're doing? Or are you trying to protect your staffs? Because I see no reason why I would come to your bank and open an account. I'll give you my NIN for you to enroll me in your bank. And after all of this, you come back and tell me you said someone used my NIN to take loan from your bank. Who is that someone? GTB Bank. So you can't defend that. You went ahead and planned for the kidnapping of my brother. No wala.
Welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned. Moki Bugua. Ṣé gbọ́n tí wọ́n sọ. Ẹ̀gbọ́n tí wọ́n sọ. Wọ́n ní before kó tó jáde nínú bank yẹn. Ṣé mọ̀, tẹ́ bá wọnú bank, ó ní bí kan tó máa ń bí tẹ́ bá ní nǹkan sára kan lè check ara èèyàn. Ó máa wà airport, wà ní most of many places like that. Wọ́n lọ kọ́kọ́ lock ẹ síbẹ̀ yẹn for like 10 minutes. Wọ́n fi delay ẹ. Kó má lè tètè jáde before àwọn tó wá adopt ẹ kan tó sáde, kan tó wá gbé lọ. Tí náà àwọn ọmọ tó wà, ṣùgbọ́n a rí àwọn messages kọ̀ọ̀kan, a rí àwọn àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, àkọọ́lẹ̀ kan sí lórí ìkànnì Sahara Reporter tí wọ́n kọ síbẹ̀ pé àwọn DSS sọ pé there's a lot of petition, 20 petition against it. ẹ jọ fún kí ni very dark man ṣe? Àwọn tó ń competition against the very dark man, kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe? Kí ni nǹkan tí arákùnrin, kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe tí ẹ fi ń competition against ẹ? Pẹ̀lú gbogbo bí ó ṣe, gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí arákùnrin ṣe káàkiri nínú Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wò, mélòó nínú yín lẹ lè gbórí láyà ibi tí Boko Haram ti lé àwọn èèyàn kúrò nínú village wọn? Mélòó nínú lórí méjì tó lè lọ síbẹ̀? Very dark man will go there and make sure he do something. I love him for that. Kì í ṣe pé ń wá sọ̀rọ̀, ó ti sọ lóun ti sign pé ní ìgbà tí òun ṣì wà lórí ilẹ̀ pé tó ń wà nínú Nàìjíríà pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bàálù ìjẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní irú mímí, ẹ̀ ní irú imú mí. Ṣé rí àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn? Olóòótọ́ ìlú òun ló ṣìkà ìlú. Olóòótọ́ ìlú òun ló ṣìkà ìlú. A ti ń pè fún yín, à ń jáde lójoojúmọ́, à ń sọ fún yín. Nigeria youth, are you not get tired? Ẹ wo orílẹ̀-èdè kan tí wọ́n náà increase owó búrẹ́dì là ń sọ. Gbogbo èèyàn ló bọ́ síta. Èló náà ta búrẹ́dì ń sìn? Èló náà ta búrẹ́dì? Mo dé Nigeria last time, mo ra búrẹ́dì 2,000 plus one bread. Ó yẹ búrẹ́dì ẹyọ kan 2,000. Owó tó ra mọ́tò méjì nínú Nàìjíríà yẹn nígbà kan rí. Ó ra mọ́tò alájàpá méjì. Tọmọdé ò bá bá ìtàn àbá àrọ́bá. Àìrá àwọn bàbá kan tó láwọn ra mọ́tò alájàpá ní 1,000 naira. Tẹ́yìn ra búrẹ́dì ní 2,200. That is, wàá ra mọ́tò alájàpá wàá gba ṣéǹjì méjì. Ṣe rí nǹkan bẹ́yẹn. Ẹ dákẹ́, wọ́n ti bà gbogbo ilé ayé jẹ́. Kò sí nǹkankan. Security. Àwọn tó lọ kidnap ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ bí Boko Haram wà, wọn ò ṣe lọ mú wọn. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ń ṣe nǹkan jẹ́jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tó lòdì sófin, kò síbi tí very dark man tó ti ṣe anything lòdì sófin. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe nǹkan ìlànà òfin ló ń ṣe. Ẹ wá lọ gbé ibo ló wà ń sìn. Ta ló mọ condition tó wà? Ó dà ń pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan gan tẹ̀ náà gbé, tó dà ń kí ṣe òníkan ló lọ. Ta ló mọ condition tó wà ń sìn? Ẹ fẹ́ silent ẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ practice democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of... Ṣé democracy lẹ́ ń practice ń sìn? Kí ló ṣe? Mi rò pọ́ níbi kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ against ìjọba, tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ against Tinubu. Ó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kan sí ìjọba gan, ó máa ń plead pẹ̀lú wọn ni. Ẹ lọ wo àwọn fọ́nrán tó ṣe. Ẹ wo nǹkan tárákùnrin ṣe káàkiri. Tẹ́ni tí bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nìkan náà ni gbogbo èèyàn lọ ń sábà. Ajàfẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn. Tó bá kọ̀ tó san sálárì fún yàn, á gbà fún ẹ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, gbogbo wa la rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Support ti tèmi ọ̀nà mo ń ṣe. Kẹ́ bá wa share video káàkiri. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wò. Ẹ bá wa pín lógún, ẹ bá wa pín lọ́gbọ̀n. And don't forget to subscribe if you are watching for the first time. Yes, Akalamagbo TV, òun náà ló ń gbóhùn sáfẹ́fẹ́. Ọmọ yín ní ìlú Àjọwà Àkókó ní Ondo State. Òun ló ń gbóhùn sáfẹ́fẹ́ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí. Ẹ bá wa subscribe, kẹ́dẹ̀ tẹ̀lé wa lórí àwọn social media handles wa. A wà lórí Facebook. Ẹ wá débẹ̀. À ń go live all the time. Akalamagbo TV náà ni. Ẹyẹ méjì ò kì í jàṣà. Mo kí gbogbo wa lógún, mo kí gbogbo wa lọ́gbọ̀n. Ẹ subscribe, ẹ follow wa, drop your comment. Ẹ ṣeun gan, àní jù báyìí lọ. Ẹ má gbàgbé, ajá ń sáré, ẹṣin ń sáré. Èmi pẹ̀lú yín á dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ìyálà ìyá ajá kan kò lè bá wọn lórí ẹṣin lẹ́sẹ̀. Ẹ ní lá fún.